Uh, my brother down low when you do this shit. My dad here with my mom here with me. BMB. Blood money and bitches, money over snitches. Married to the wifey, unless she a witness. All about my business, survival of the fitness. She let me have my weed and her pussy. Bitch, I got the cash like Lil Boosie, man. I got the Glock 4/5 already cop. Boom. Fucking with my goons, me, my motherfucking brother. Sorry for the rape, my brother. Download real soon. Light it up. Cause we can smoke, cuz. She shot a deep, though we fucking around and choke, cuz. It's BMB, motherfucking game over. Shots in your head, looking like you haven't seen us. And Lord knows I'm a G. Blood money business. Bitch, I'm getting money like I got a money printer. Got a chopper in the trimmer. Shooting like a simmer. You come and need my hood, man. You better be a goon. I ain't worried about y'all. Send me my heart. A bitch is business. They bringing me joy. I can't fit out of jail. And if I think of me raw, then me all yelling fuck you snitches and kept going Trill on. And that's right, baby. And Trill ain't going out of this bitch without a fight, baby. My request. Please don't bite, baby. I got some bomb ass pussy from a black lady. I ain't lying, I'ma shine like a trails, love to grind. And I smoke a lot of herbs to keep the misses on my mind. Girl, stop talking that shit. Go on study trails dick for a new outfit. And even if the sky come falling, bitch, I'ma still be high. I got faith in the weed, man. My brother got weed by the big bag. I hit your ass from the side like a scene pass. And that red bandana BMB flag. Yeah, all up in your fucking face. Tell them haters have back. Sorry for the wait. Yeah, and I'm back. Yeah, and I'm back. Yeah, and I'm back. D Trails got the juice, man. Yeah, I'm back in the club. Hoes talking shit, but they show me love. Yeah, I'm all about a G, man. Yeah, I'm all about that G, man. Yeah, I'm all about that thug, man. Niggas talking shit, get popped in their mouth, man. Real nigga like Trill smoke weed, got hating ass niggas tryna follow a G. I'm a real ass boss, a real ass soldier. See me in the club, still G and my niggas. I'm just thuggin' my G. You know who I be a nigga Triz, niggas tryna follow me, niggas tryna hollow me. But I got your bitch wanna motherfucking swallow me. But I see nah to that hoe and give it back to another nigga. Cause I'm a real ass nigga, I'm a trill ass nigga, and I'm bona fide hustler. Real ass goon on the motherfucking block, huh? And how you like me now? Got that gold grill in my mouth and wiping my style, nigga.